Hi everybody, I'm Jason with Ram Mounts, and today we're going to introduce you to the motorcycle gas tank flange mount. It's made out of marine grade aluminum and utilizes our standard 1-inch ball. It has a series of segmented holes to accommodate a variety of gas tanks. This is a secure, low profile mount for your cell phone or GPS and frees up space on your handlebars. This mount comes in two different sizes depending on the application that you have. Today we'll be installing the one that fits the Suzuki SV650. As you can see here, we've already attached the 1-inch ball using the included hardware. We will now line up the base with the flange of the gas tank and identify which bolts line up best with the holes of the base. We will now remove these 3 bolts. As you can see here, there are 2 different lengths of screws that came out of the flange of the gas tank. Utilizing the included hardware pack, you would like to select a screw that is approximately 12 millimeters longer than the stock screw that came out of the flange. As you can see here, we've chosen the appropriate length of hardware and have attached the correct size of washer. It is very important to remember what length of screw came out of which hole from the factory. Line up the base on the flange and insert 1 screw at a time and tighten by hand, then snugging each bolt down. After your base is installed, you can now attach a double socket arm and the device. In this case, we're using a GoPro camera. Adjust to the position that you require, and you're ready to ride.